Hi everyone, it's me, Tereese. I am back with another video, and if you saw my last video, I had done this altered playing card. I went ahead and these are my little ATC folders that I decorated with some of the paper and the little girl, some of the ephemera, and then the words fresh picked happiness. And then I created another altered playing card. This is a kind of a narrower um, card from the regular ATC. And I used these pockets that were on this sheet here. It's just, regular copy paper. And I just fussy cut them out, made little pockets, inked the edges, laid down some more paper. And then these little guest checks, I backed them with index card so they would fit in there all nice and snug. This one as well, or these two. So they're cute little teeny tiny pockets. I just think they're adorable. And then a little jar of strawberries. Added more paper. To the pockets, and then more of the ephemera. I love strawberries. And then I decorated the back, made it all dirty with ink, more paper. This is another ephemera piece, more patterned paper. So I'm loving, and I kind of used some twine. I could have used pink twine, but I don't know where my pink twine is. I probably could do that. But I used red because it goes with the red strawberry. So that is my little book. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, I love this paper. This paper is adorable. Yeah. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.